Tired of heavy laptops slowing you down? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best lightweight laptops built for speed, style, and comfort. Welcome to the channel. Stick around as we reveal game-changing picks that make work and travel effortless. And yes, you'll find all links in the description. The number 5 product on our list is CHUWI MiniBook X 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop. Who knew a laptop this small could feel this powerful? The CHUWI MiniBook X proves that lightweight doesn't mean compromise. Built with a 12th Gen Intel processor, 16 GB RAM, and 512 GB SSD, it breezes through multitasking while staying incredibly portable at under 2L. Its 360 DG touchscreen flip design turns into a tablet in seconds, perfect for students, travelers, or e-commerce professionals needing flexibility. The 2K display with full sRGB coverage makes visuals crisp and vibrant, while Wi-Fi 6 ensures faster, more stable connections. Compared to bulkier models in its range, this device feels like freedom in your hands. A smart, stylish choice for anyone who values portability without sacrifice performance. This is a companion tested for real-world comfort. At number 4 is Acer Swift Go Laptop. Sometimes a laptop feels like a burden, but the Acer Swift Go proves portability doesn't mean compromise. Designed with a razor-thin body and powered by Intel's latest processors, it delivers snappy multitasking that keeps pace with busy professionals, students, and creators. The 14-inch Scott display brings out sharp details and vibrant color, making work, presentations, or movie breaks equally enjoyable. Its AI-ready features, including Copilot and Windows, help streamline tasks while saving precious time, a true relief for those juggling multiple responsibilities. Compared with other lightweight devices, it blends power with everyday comfort, making it a smart contender among the top 5 best lightweight laptops. If you value sleek design, dependable speed, and tested real-world usability, this machine deserves your attention. The third one on our list is Jumper 2-in-1 Laptop. It's rare to find a device that truly blends portability with versatility, but the Jumper 2-in-1 manages to surprise. With its ultra-light 0.64 kg metal body and detachable keyboard, it feels more like carrying a slim tablet than a full laptop, yet it delivers real productivity power. The 12-inch 2K touchscreen brings visuals to life with sharp detail, making it perfect for lectures, presentations, or late-night movie sessions. Powered by the Intel N150 processor and 12 GB DDR5 RAM, multitasking flows smoothly, tackling research and browsing without a hiccup. Compared to other contenders in the top 5 best lightweight laptops, it stands out for flexibility and design. For students, professionals, or travelers craving mobility and comfort, tested in real-world use, this is a smart buy. On number 2 is Apple MacBook Pro Laptop. Few laptops redefine what power in a lightweight form feels like, and the Apple MacBook Pro proves it effortlessly. Imagine carrying a machine barely thicker than a magazine, yet capable of handling creative projects, e-commerce tasks, or advanced research without hesitation. The M4 chip inside is lightning fast, letting you glide through apps like Adobe or Microsoft 365 with no slowdown, while the Liquid Retina XDR display makes colors and details jump out with stunning clarity. For anyone comparing options in the top 5 best lightweight laptops, this model shines for its balance of portability and raw capability. Battery life stretches through an entire day, bringing peace of mind when working on the move. If you value speed, comfort, and reliability tested in real use, this laptop is a confident recommendation. Now moving to the last one is Apple MacBook Air 13-inch laptop. Lightweight doesn't have to mean compromise, and the Apple MacBook Air 13 proves exactly that. At just over 2 pounds, it slips into any bag effortlessly, yet inside you'll find the blazing M4 chip ready to handle multitasking, e-commerce dashboards, or creative editing without breaking a sweat. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display makes every chart, photo, and presentation look crisp and vibrant, while the 18-hour battery life removes the constant worry of staying near an outlet. Compared to other picks in the top 5 best lightweight laptops, this one blends portability with professional-grade performance like few others can. The build feels premium, the typing experience is smooth, and the sound quality is surprisingly immersive. If you need a smart, dependable, and travel-friendly laptop, this model earns a confident recommendation. Among all, the winner is Apple MacBook Air 13-inch laptop, delivering ultimate lightness, powerful performance, and reliability for modern creators. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best lightweight laptops. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.